What's up guys, Casey back with another video, and this video is going to be part 2 of spending $1,500 on Supreme. I wanted to split it up because I felt like the first video was going to be really long and I didn't get the rest of my stuff until now. So I'll be able to finish this video for you guys. But I am going to be doing a giveaway on the Supreme ponchos. I have like 4 extras, so if you guys want to follow my resale account and my personal account, do that. Like the previous video, it's gonna be on the iCard somewhere right here, I think, or on this side, I can't remember. And comment on that video letting me know what's your favorite item from that video to be eligible to win that free Supreme poncho. And on my resale account, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of raffles so you guys can win stuff for like $10, $20, $30 like that. So yeah, make sure to do all that, and let's get straight to the video because I want to see all of this heat that we got from week 1. Like I said, this package is just in this one, but it's heavy as hell. And I can't find my knife for some reason. I don't know where I put it since the last video. God, I'm sweating, it's hot. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know where I put it from the last video, so I'm gonna just have to rip it open. Oh! Alright, that's why we go to the gym now. We have a plethora, an abundance, an assortment of Supreme goods. Alright, so the first thing is gonna be well, I can't pull that one out, so the first one is gonna be the Love by Child, this natural cream colorway. This one was absolutely, I loved this colorway. This colorway and the rainbow one sold out really quick though, but I was able to cop this natural one right there. You got Jesus on the cross, loved by the children. I hope that's Jesus. Well, it's not Jesus, it looks like a woman actually. My bad. But it says loved by the children right there, Supreme on the top. And yeah, this natural colorway is absolutely fire. Like that cream, it's nice. Hope you guys can see it like that better on that side. But yeah, that's gonna be t-shirt number 1. Next thing we have right here is the S logo sweatpants. Oh, these are a personal cop for me. I swear I thought I copped purple. What the hell? Alright, but I thought I copped purple, but we have the Supreme S logo sweatpants right here. Have the S logo right there, patched on, sewed in there, all like that. Just a regular Supreme sweatpant. I do not like, what size is this? It's a medium, but I do not like this. This kind of looks ugly, this little band around it. But yeah, this is a personal cop for me, but I swear I thought I copped a purple. Oh my god, I'm kind of mad, so I don't know. Might keep it, but I'm most likely gonna keep it. But yeah, that's the S logo sweatpant right there. Next we have is this bling tee in this pale purple right here. This is absolute fire. Just like the skateboard, same graphic right there. All that jewelry, all that money. Look at that. That thing is insane. Let me turn the light down on this. Where's the remote? Yeah, that pale purple with the bling graphic right there. It's absolutely fire in a size medium. So yeah, that's the 3rd item of today. Now we have the cherry tee in this like pale green. What color is it? This pale mint green right here. This color is actually dope. I actually really like it in person. I actually liked it on the computer as well, but in person it looks even better. But you just have the same graphic as a skateboard with the lady eating the cherry right there. Hope you guys can see it better right there. But yeah, that's gonna be the 4th item of today. And all this stuff I am gonna be raffling off on my resale account. So if you guys wanna go and follow that, go ahead and do it, and also follow it to be entered in the giveaway. So yeah, it's gonna be the 5th item. I cannot remember. All right, next we have, I ordered so much stuff I forgot what we have in here. We have a Laugh tee in the pale mint green as well. I wish I would have copped this in like a black or like a dark color for personal for me, but I wasn't able to because it's sold out. But you just have the Supreme laugh mask right there, the laughing and the smart and the sad one. Also the graphic is right here on the back. This is one of the doper shirts I like because it has it on the back as well, and it's not just simple of a graphic on the front. But yeah, it's just a pale green one right there, nothing too crazy, even though this is one of my favorite shirts. Next we have the Masterpiece tee right here in this cream colorway, just like the first t-shirt that we had. This colorway is absolutely fire. Might have to keep this one for my personal just because of the colorway. But yeah, you have a tiger, cheetah, whatever it is, eating little Bambi's mom right there. But yeah, it just says Supreme Masterpiece 1994, the Supreme Foundation, taking out all suckers. Right there. And the size, large, right there. Absolutely fire. Graphics nice. Colorway fire. Just keep saying fire because all this stuff is heat, boy. Or girl, who's ever watching. Then we have this. No, Amy too. I don't know, I couldn't say it. But yeah, we have it in this red colorway right here. Beautiful red. Red is always a go-to to me. Favorite color, if you don't know by now. Size large right here. Supreme right there at the bottom. Then I don't really know who this lady is, but her probably name is Naomi. I don't know who it is, so I'm not even gonna be flexing on you guys. So yeah, we just have that shirt right there. Copped a bunch of tees this season, week 1, and we copped some heat for week 3. Yeah, you guys are gonna be excited for that video. It's gonna be releasing soon after I get all my stuff. Let's just get the biggest item of it all. Then we have this Mary hooded jacket right here. My girl got me this exact one, but in the green colorway, but that one's for my personal. This one is gonna be the resale. Have it in this red with the Mary on the back. Look, that thing is absolutely insane in the membrane. Look at that. What the world? We have Supreme coming down the side right there. Let me move my arm. Right there. That is absolutely heat. Then you have on the front that Supreme right there. Let me see. Supreme right there. Absolutely fire, guys. This is a hoodie that I am going to be giving away as well. So it's a size large. Yeah, large. So whoever's going to win this, y'all are going to be real lucky because this is absolutely fire. And let's see the last item. Is that it? I think that is the last item. Damn, I didn't even get no stickers or a poncho in that one. But damn. Well, that's all the stuff that we got for this one. I spent a lot of money on week 1, so hope you guys really like this video and part 1 because that'll really help me out a lot to, just keep making these videos for you guys and just keep spending the money to resell, to make my money back, to put in these videos for you guys, to everybody who enjoys them. But yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it from week 1. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing for the free Supreme ponchos. And I'm gonna be raffling all this stuff off like I said multiple times now. But if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you in the next video. I don't have a hat, so peace.